Okay, so now we finished the fifth inversion after the fifth minute, and what I'm trying to do in here is trying to go and wash the sides of the glass so not a very little, if at all, of the wheat germs actually sticks under the side. That would make things nice and neater. Now note in here at the very end the water. Okay, the liquid part right here, here's most of the wheat germ. Liquid part here has some foam in it, and that's kind of unavoidable, but we want to go and minimize that. So you're going to take a separate test tube or a separate pipette. Don't use the one that you dispense the soap with, because you want to keep that only for soap and nice and clean. So here we're going to go and extract most, if not all, of the foam. I'm going to go use my test tube right here to kind of help me to go take in all the foam. So I'm going to go push in all of these excess wheat germ bits. Try to go and push them in so they'll settle into the bottom. It's not going to be the cleanest, but that's okay. You try to go and get rid of as much of it as you can. Okay. Now, that's good enough for me. Once you have that, I'm going to go and use the pipette. Note how I'm tilting the test tube. This is important. It makes it easier. I'm going to go and remove all the foamy bits in there. All the foamy bits. If not all, most of it is fine. Because they tend to go and interfere with the precipitation of the DNA. Oop. Get those bubbles out. Okay, I think that's as best as we can get them. Then you're going to go and see Mr. Chi or I, one of the teachers, and we will dispense the alcohol. We are not going to go and leave the alcohol on the supply table because first it is very volatile, so it means it's very flammable. Not that you guys will have an opportunity to go and set it on fire, but it tends to evaporate very quickly. Okay, so we don't want it to go and dry out, exposed to air. So we will be dispensing this ourselves. Make sure that the test tube is tilted nice, like so, and we are going to go and gradually pour in. Now I know the instructions told you to go and put in as much as 14 mils of alcohol. We won't have space for 14 mils, and that's okay. Okay. No, I still have some bubbles in here, by the way. Let's go and get rid of that if we could, because those bubbles or those foams are just going to go and get in the way later on. Pesky foams. Alright, here goes. So I'm going to go tilt away from those foam, and then we are going to go and pour this very slowly. Now watch right at the interval right there. And we are going to just go and pour enough alcohol. It trickles on the side. Okay. We'll probably be less messier next time. Now note, what you'll see as I straighten that out will be some cloudy bits. Okay, there's a cloud right here where you have the boundary of the alcohol and the soap, and that cloudy bits are the strings or strands of DNA all clumping together. You also see them on the sides, like so. You might want to go and just let it sit or stand for a couple of minutes, like about a minute or so. It doesn't have to be that long. Let it sit there for a minute or so to go and let it settle in. And after it has settled a bit, what you're going to do is take your very fancy DNA extractor, which is a paper clip that you have straightened out with a hook end at the other end, and then just like they do it in the fair, go take and spool out some of that DNA from the side or at the borderline. The side you probably have a better chance of taking them out, just like they do in the fairs, when they go make cotton candy. Okay, so here let's see if we can do it. Sometimes it doesn't really precipitate that well, so you kind of have to be very lucky. Okay, right here you can see that some of you might get probably more DNA than what I have produced in here. Okay, and here's the clump right here. Okay, note again, you don't see the double helix. All you're seeing are these clumps of stringy-like things, and remember that these are stringy because they're extremely long molecules. Okay, they're all precipitate clumped together, and they are generated by they were extracted from literally millions of cells that we actually had in that wheat germ, in a teaspoonful of wheat germ. Okay, if we don't get or catch any DNA like I failed to do in here, that's okay, as long as you can see the clumps of very, very stringy whitish molecules or substance, right? They're made up of molecules of DNA clumped together, right there, like so. Okay, good luck. Hopefully you get better luck than I did.